Do you loathe pain from the traditional scratch test? So much so that you vowed you would never go back? Do you hesitate bringing your kids for an allergy testing for the same exact reason? Hi and welcome to our next installment of the 8 free videos that we promised you. This installment is all about the way we do allergy testing. This method of allergy testing is not new. It doesn't require any means of scratch testing like they do at most places. It has been around for thousands of years and is completely non-invasive. How does it work? In order to understand the scientific principles behind muscle response testing, we must first understand one basic universal law of physics. With every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The Chinese refer to this as yin and yang, or positive and negative. Muscle response testing works on the same principle using our own body's energy. All living creatures, large or small, mankind, fish, birds, plants, insects, or even microorganisms, all exist and consist of energy. One energy in particular is that of static electricity. We're all familiar with static electricity and are constantly reminded of its effects when we drag our feet across a carpet and touch a metal object. A shock or static discharge occurs. Whenever we witness a thunderstorm, we see what happens when two electrically charged masses of air or cloud merge. Warm air rises and is then cooled, accumulating a static charge resulting in a lightning strike. Another way we receive static electricity charge in our bodies is through the food that we eat. Energy can't be created in our bodies. We must receive energy from an outside source. A well-known law of physics better explains this. Energy can't be created or destroyed. It transfers from state to state. Plants receive energy from the sun's rays, and in turn, we receive our energy when we eat them. If we don't eat, we lose our energy. Whenever practitioners use muscle testing for the purpose of testing certain herbs or even testing for various foods to determine allergic reactions, the substances are prepared in plastic or glass vials and then held to the arm or body. This will not limit the effectiveness of the test. Energy will transfer through the vial walls just as microwaves travel through dishes and radio waves travel through windows and walls. The stronger the arm gets, the more the body accepts the substance. The weaker the arm gets, the less the body wants the substance. It's that simple. We have a slight variation to the arm test. The main thing about the arm test is that your arm can get awfully sore after a while. Instead, we use a finger strength test. By putting the test vial, let's say it contains the pollen ragweed, up against your arm and then holding your ring and thumb together tightly, we will test your allergic reaction to the substance contained in the test vial by a muscle test. In this test, we will try to separate your finger and your thumb. If they do separate, then you do have an issue with the substance. Otherwise, you do not. It's that simple. We will test vial after vial in this manner, marking the ones that you are sensitive to. We have kit after kit that range from food to heavy metals to antibiotics to dairy and even to emotions. Go ahead and click on the link below for your free 15-minute tour of our offices or consultation, or if you would like to book an appointment with us, don't forget to mention that you saw us in this ad and that you're entitled to a 20% discount. Thank you once again for your time.